Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this makeup look. It's super easy and super lightweight, so it's really great for summer. So I did my makeup to go shopping and just spend the day with Yasmin. We got some coffee and we went shopping and we just spent the day in Santa Monica and it was really fun. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this super lightweight and easy makeup, just keep on watching. I just want to give a quick shout out to Clinique for sponsoring today's video. For this makeup look, I wore their Black Honey Almost lipstick, and I actually posted a picture on my Instagram story wearing it, and I got so many DMs asking me what I had on my lips, because you guys were like so used to seeing me wearing nudes that it was like such a big change for me to have some color on my lips. This lipstick is really cool and unique because it is a one-size-fits-all lipstick. It's universally flattering, so regardless of your skin tone, your hair color, your eye color, you know this lipstick is gonna look good on you. And I love the consistency of it because it feels like a really hydrating lip balm and it leaves you with a glossy finish. You guys know I love glossy lips. So it's only $17.50 at your local Sephora, so make sure you guys check it out. I'll also put a link to it down below. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this makeup look. To start out this look, I'm first going to start out with some eye patches. These ones here are from Tarte. So I like to keep all of my eye patches in the fridge so they feel extra cooling underneath my eyes. So I left these on for 15 minutes, and then after that 15 minutes was up, I just took them off and patted in the rest of that serum, and it just felt so amazing underneath my eyes. Next up, I'm going to be using some sunscreen, and this one's really cool because it also works as a makeup primer. So this one's called Super Goop, and I'm just rubbing it all over my face, and you're just killing two birds with one stone, getting your primer and your sunscreen in one. Especially during the summertime, you want to make sure to put on some SPF. I mean, you should be doing that year round, but especially if you're going to be out in the sun. And then for foundation, I'm using one of my favorites at the moment. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder foundation. I'm in the shade 6, and I just rub it in with my hands, and it gives me such a beautiful finish. And then for concealer, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. I ran out of this, so I was barely getting any product out, but yeah, I'm just blending that in with a sponge. And by the way guys, I just got my eyebrows tattooed in and reshaded in, so that's why they were looking super scabby here, because they were still healing. But it's been a few days since I filmed this and my eyebrows are looking so good. They are on fleek. I love the way they turned out, so yeah, don't mind the crusty brows here. Next up, I'm going to be setting my face with the new Hourglass translucent powder. So I'm going to be baking a little bit underneath my eyes and then just sweeping it across the rest of my face. And this powder is definitely if you still want to have some sheen to your face and still have some glow come through. It's definitely not a powder I would use if I was doing a heavy nighttime glam makeup look, but it's really cute for the daytime, and you still want to look glowy and dewy. So that's what I'm using here. Next up, I'm going to bronze my skin, and this is my favorite bronzer at the moment. This is the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer in the shade Bronze, and I'm just taking it on a big fluffy brush, and I'm using it to bronze up my cheekbones. And then also I took it on my forehead, my jawline, and then I'm also going to be taking it on a smaller brush and also using it to contour my nose a little bit. And then I also am going to be applying it to my eyelids as well. So I'm just putting this everywhere basically. I always like to take my bronzer or my contour shade and put it in my eyelid as well. I hate leaving my eyelids completely bare, so I always like to put some bronzer in my crease, or here I'm using it all over my eyelid, and I'm also smudging it on my lower lash line as well. And then I'm taking this gold eyeliner pencil from Urban Decay. I'm not sure of the exact name, but I'll put it down below for you guys. But I'm just smudging a little bit of this on my lower waterline, and it's really not that noticeable from far away, but when you look up close, it looks like you have little gold specks on your lower lash line, and it looks really pretty for summer. And then I'm going to be applying some mascara, so I'm first curling my lashes with some Tweezer Mint eyelash curler. And then I'm going to be applying the Benefit Roller Lash. That's my favorite mascara ever. And you could just leave it at mascara. It will look really good. But I decided to just take it to the next step and apply some natural looking lashes. Well, to me, they're natural because they're pretty thin compared to heavy mink eyelashes. But they're the Salon Perfect 614 lashes. And then for highlight, I'm using my favorite highlighter. This really has taken the place as my favorite highlighter, and it is the MAC Oh Darling highlighter. Using my finger, I'm also applying it to the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose as well. Then I'm also popping it in my inner corner just to open up our eyes a little bit. For blush, I'm using the classic Milani Luminoso blush, and I'm just applying this to the apples of my cheeks. I'm not going too heavy with the blush, just to give me a little bit of a glow. And I love the combination of all these face products together, like the concealer, the foundation, the blush, the bronzer. I think it really makes for a really pretty, natural, glowy skin look. And then I'm also spraying my face with some MAC Fix Plus. So to finish off this makeup look, I'm going in with lips, and I'm going to be using the Clinique Black Honey Almost lipstick. And again, this is just such a perfect spring and summer lipstick. I mean, it'll look good year round, but I just love how easy it is to put on. You don't have to worry about, messing up or anything like that, because it honestly feels like it's a lip balm. It's so hydrating, and it just leaves such a pretty color on the lips. So that concludes this makeup look. And again, I just spent the rest of the day in Santa Monica with Yasmin, just had a little girls' day. So let me know your must-have product for this summer down below. I'd love to know. I can't wait to see you guys for my next video. Love you guys. Bye!